Now we are going to discuss about basic set operations. Basic set operations, or in other words operation on sets. So here in this regard we are going to discuss about, first of all, the union of two sets. Then later we will be going to know about the intersection of two sets. So first of all, let us know about union, that is the first one, first operation upon the sets, that is union of sets. So in this union of sets, first of all we will assume two sets, say A and B, then the union of those two sets A and B will give rise to another set which consists of all the elements present in either in set A or in set B or in both, or in other words, so union of two sets A and B is nothing but a set resulting in which the elements are of, or the elements which belongs to either set A or set B or both A and as well as B. So here I am going to write the definition of the union of sets. So here the union of sets, say, so I am going to consider the first set as A and the second set as B. So union of these two sets, say A and as well as B, is the new set, is the set containing the elements, or containing all the elements which belongs to either set A or set B or the both A and as well as the B sets. So here symbolic notation of the union now. So here symbolically this union is denoted by the symbol that is U. So it is read as, so here we consider these sets as one as A, the other as B. So here we can write it as, so here union of set A and set B is denoted as, or is denoted by, so here A union B, and it is read as A union B. So here let us perform one example under this. So your example is of, so here to find the union of two sets, so we have to assume the two sets as, so one as, so I am going to assume the first set, that is A, as 1, 2, 3 are the elements of, 4 are the set elements of set A, and the elements of set B are of, set B elements are of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we have to find out A union B, or in other words we have to find out the union of the two sets, that is A and as well as B. So the solution starts now. As per the definition, the union of two sets is nothing but the new set, that is A union B, consisting of the elements either of set A or the set B or in both. So here, so as per problem, so here set A elements are of 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B elements are of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then now here we have to find out that A union B is equals to, so here in order to find out A union B, so here first of all the first set is of A, then now A elements are of 1, 2, 3, 4, bracket close, then there is of union symbol in between, so let us write union symbol, then later I say here set B elements are of, set B elements are of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bracket close. So while we are writing, that implies, so while we are writing the union of these two sets, first of all we have to write all the elements of set A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, then later. So here we have to write even the elements of set B in such a manner that the element should not be repeated. So here 3 already it is in the set A union B, so therefore 3, the element 3 should not be repeated here. Then let us go for the element that is 4. So 4 is also present in this set, that is A union B. So here we can neglect this 4. Then let us go for the 5. So 5 is not in the present, not in the set of A. Therefore we can involve this. So here we can include even this, number 6 as the element. Then now 7 also can be included. So in this manner we got A union B set as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 are the elements. So here we wrote. So each and every element of set A and each and every element of set B, but not repeated. That means, so here A union B elements are of either set A or set B or the both. So in this manner we got, hence A union B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are the elements of A union B. Similarly, let us find, so even B union A also. So here find A union B and even B union A. The latter, say here what do you notice or what do you infer? So here first one we have covered, that is A union B, then latter. So we are going to find out, that is B union A, that is the second one. So here B union A equals to, we have to write first of all the set B elements. Set B elements are of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then now union. So here set A elements are of, set A elements are of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then now here in order to find out B union A, so here we have to write all the elements of either set A, set B or set A or both B and as well as A. So here in order to find out B union A, first of all we have to write all the elements of first set, that is B. So here 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then later we have to write the elements of set A, that those were 1, 2, 3, 4. So first of all while writing we have to include in such a manner that the element should not be repeated. 1 is not present in the set of B, so we can include it as the element of B union A. Then later 2 is also not present in the set of B, therefore we can include in set of B union A. So here 3 is already present here in set B, so here it need not to be included. So 4 is also there in the set B, so need not to include in the set of B union A. So therefore, so these are the elements. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 and 2 are the elements of set B union A. So here, so in this manner we got A union B elements as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let us write this as the first set, that is number 1. Then now B union A elements are of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 and 2. Let us write this as the second one. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and as well as 2. See here, first of all 1, that is of A union B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that is A union B. A union B is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then, so this as the first one. Then now second one, that is B union A is equals to the elements of B union A are of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. So, here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 and 2. So, now let us compare. So, here these two, the elements of A union B are of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then now B union A are of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2. Let us compare. So, here 1 is present in this. Then now similarly 2, 3, 4 are also 2, 3 and 4 are also present. Then now 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7 are also present. The elements of A union B are also the elements of B union A. Therefore, the two elements, the two sets are of equal. So, here A union B is equals to B union A. So, in this regard, commutative property holds good here. So, here if A union B is equals to B union A, therefore, commutative property over union holds good. So, similarly,